Ready? All right, my name is Jerry Bagget. We're from Covington, Louisiana. This is my car. It's a 1947 Ford. It's a Custom Deluxe Coupe. It's a 1947, so it's 78 years old. It was built 10 years ago and put a new engine in it about 3 years ago. And it's very reliable, dependable. And we've been cruising the coast here for 9 years, and we love it. We come here every year with the car and have a great time. It's wonderful. Mississippi is great. Thank you very much.
If you had another car that you could have, what would it be? Any other car?
Another car, what would it be? I'd probably have a 55 Chevy. 55 Chevy? Yes, with a 350 engine. Yes.
Okay. Are there any other notable cruises that you go to anywhere in America?
We go to a Cadillac dealership in Baton Rouge. It's a 49 and older show, and we enjoy going over there. It's a lot of old, before the muscle cars. It's older cars, and they have a lot of cars from the 20s there. It's really, really challenging. It's really nice.
All right. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Bye-bye.
There's a man who lives a life of danger. And every one he meets, he stays a stranger. Oh, that every move he makes, another chance he takes. I'm telling you, won't make it tomorrow. Secret agent man, agent man.
Big.